Hello, traders. See if I can get a post here. So here we are in the morning session. Look at this how it's forming here at the VWAP. You see that support. So we're just coming off this IB initial balance high. We're approaching the session mid. Let's see whether they're going to break this. Basically, the VWAP. Let's see if it's going to break. Let's see if it breaks this. Once it breaks this, there's a likelihood it's going to get down here to at least whatever the 1.25 extension is. But right now we have another 7 minutes before it closes this IB. You can Okay, so I missed this move. Been busy doing messaging people, which I should not be. So, this is basically what's going on here. So we create another new high. This is basically the got 1 minute before this officially closes, but most likely this will be ending up going up into the right here. So let's see if we can get this move up here. Let's see if it's going to break this high. And it's going to create a 1.25 extension. There we go.
Order filled.
Oh, do I have MNQ here? Oh, no. Okay. So make sure. See, there's 1.25 up there. So what I want to do is possibly move this up to here. Again, this can be very tricky. Why? Because, like I said, it's still in the, yeah, see? That's what I'm afraid of. Since this is a PA, I can be more aggressive. Probably bounce off the mid band.
Order submitted.
Again, I'm trading an evaluation, not a PA, but an evaluation. So maybe I want to. So
order canceled.
See this again, a lower high here. So that's fine. Again, this is 150K eval. So we did break this IBH high. Now will it continue going up? That's the question. Just had a deep pullback here. They didn't really quite, just barely broke this low here. So let's see what's going to happen. It breaks this 233. We're looking to do again. Looks like we'll see. You see how they did this? Going back up. It's either you want to see it break this structure right there. I think it's going to be going up there. There we go.
Order filled.
So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add this to maybe here just to be sure. And I'll be adding another. So I don't think I got. Did I get filled in that? No, I didn't. So question is, did they break this, but they didn't break this yet? So we want to see this broken here. We did break the first one. We want to see this broken. See, they didn't. So it's really creating another lower high. We're creating a lower low, lower high. So if that's the case, there's a possibility this is going to continue coming down since we created a lower low, right? And this actually is still a lower high compared to this high. So I may want to have maybe a tighter stop, which I'll put it right there. There. So now we're there. We have a higher high. Now, my thing is when they do that, see, they're just going up and down, I think. I want to have a tight stop on there. If they continue coming down. Now, if they bring it up, which I think they're trying to do here, I'm going to add.
Order submitted.
So I'm scaling another 2 contracts. That's if they continue coming up. But according to this, looks like they're trying to bring it down. But again, we're still above the 0 line, right? So just look at what they're trying to do in price. It's all about the price action. It's about the price. It's not about the indicator. It's about the price.
Order filled.
There we go. Signing up 4 contracts. Where's my contract? I should get more. Oops. Wrong one. There. Okay. So I'll do that there. Okay, that's fine. Yes, they're not really following through. So they create a higher high, but you see, well, if this bar closes, it's not a lower low. It's basically double top there, or double bottom. But they're not really following through yet. So there, they'll create another higher high. They created basically a higher low.
Order submitted.
Yeah, it's a separate software, Jan.
Order filled.
It's called TickStrike. It's another software. Wait, I thought I added more. Where's the third one? That's weird. I have 3 contracts open, but I only have 1 stop. Weird. So let me bring this up. I don't want to give anything back. Even though it's a type stop. There it
Target
is.
filled.
Hit the 1.25 extension. Oh, this is still going. I can close that up any day. So here we go. I'll close this out when it gets there. Maybe it hits it again. I'll close it out.
Order filled.
So it did hit that. There's my total profit right now, 1,915 on that trade. $250K. Between 1,000 to 2,000, that should be sufficient. So again, trade your evaluation is just like how you would trade your PA. However, I'm just me. I'm more aggressive, and when I trade my evals, was like yesterday. I made 10,000 in one trade, and I basically passed my 150K eval. So since I can do that, I know where to look at. That's what I do. If I can pass it in one day, I'll do that. See that they hit the 1.25 extension. Deep pullback. I got tested again, I think.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
It's going to be going up. We're above the zero line. Will it be a fake out? Which sometimes they do. So technically created a lower high here. So they kind of try to fake you out here. Oops, let me get the, sorry, your basics. Look what they're doing here at the, we're just going up and down. The MACD, right at the zero line. You can see the buyers are coming in, but not really moving the price. So, see, it creates a lower high. So with that said, I can even put this up here, right? So we have a lower high. Let's see if it's going to create a lower low. Meaning, if that's the case, we're looking for a lower low.
Order
There's a lower low.
filled.
I scaled in another 2 contracts. I'm just going to take the scalp. Scalp into the 233. Um, Lara, you'll see an F on the upper right corner of your chart. Click on that F.
Target filled.
F as in Frank. That means what you see now. Did you hear me? Did you hear me, Lara? So we never got above the 0 line here. So this is going to continue, looks like, to test down here.
Order filled.
Look how aggressive that is. Let's go down here even. Let's see who bounces back down, bouncing off the mid band here to the downside. If not, so now here, look at this. We're now above this. Look at how it's trying to rip through there. You may still come down. Okay, so ripped
Stop
right through
filled.
there. I'm going to take another 2 contracts there.
Order
There we go.
filled.
I'm going to buy another 2 contracts.
Order filled.
Put it under here. So what I want to see here. Okay, just right at the 68 1.8 extension.
Target
Oh,
filled.
there it hit it. Oh, it hit the target. I just had my profit target there just right on in line with that. No, 4,000. Okay, so there. So is your chart showing up now? So basically, a bounce off the 233 straight up, hitting the sorry, hitting the 61 point or 68.1 extension. This is basically a fib extension. On target, broke the. Now that one will continue going up. Well, right now we're hitting the +2 deviation. Probably get up here, but you can see how it's been weakened. This may now test this, come back down, test the mid band of the Keltner channel, or even the 233. So I was able to get 2 contracts. I just gave in another 2. So it's creating higher highs, right? Do I want to get it up to here maybe? Yeah, we're well above the
Order
zero line
filled.
here. So I will, well, let's see. Do I want to scale in? Oh, look at that push.
Order filled.
Okay, scaled in another 2 contracts. Will that burn me? Let's see. So these are all deviation levels. That's what my targets are. See, a lot of buyers are coming in. You hear the clicking sound, like a Geiger counter, right? Now, is it strong enough to get me up there? Let's see. So far, momentum is telling me it's strong enough. There we go.
Target filled.
All right, 5,000. Again, 150K. This is an evaluation. If I hit 9,000 or, yeah, 9,000, I'll pass another eval. Now it's strong into the downside. So technically, you want to extend this fib. Where's the deepest pullback? Not that quite deep enough. Not even quite to the 38.2, but it's right here.